it's Chriso. I'm up to the stage of going around the top. I always leave it till last and do it all at once. So what you do, mark it like that, 3 mil above. See what I'm doing here with the tile? 3 mil above. When you turn it over, that side is there. See, turn the tile over, marked 3 mil up. You turn it over, when you've cut it, bang, whooshka. Once I've finished cutting, I'll be able to get rid of all my mess. I have a pocket full of clips and I use the wedges that are in the wall, so I'm not up, down, up, down, up, down. And up it goes, whooshka. Just like that. Just like that, people. That's it. Adjust it a little bit. And you're good to go. You move along. When you're going lengthways, it doesn't take long to zap right around. So you allow 3 mil. Once I go around my top, then I can clean it all out, get rid of all my clips. I'm wrapped at the way that's all come out. The owners are super tickled pink. AI technology, suck on that. your knobbers, because you'll never be able to do it. You've always got to have a human doing it. If you're sitting at a desk looking at a computer, I'd be worried. But a robot can't do a refurbishment of a bathroom. No way. I'd like to see him try. Mr. Robot. And I reckon a lot of tradies will agree with me big time. Beautiful. All right, people, I'll come back to you shortly on the next step. That's how you do it, people, and you just carry on around. Easy peasy. I'll have it done in another 3/4 of an hour. It usually takes about an hour. Then I can drop down, finish that bit of floor there. We're laughing. We'll see you soon. Ciao.